Welcome to Primal Facts. In this video, we will talk about the 7 ways to command respect instantly. Respect can be shown in many ways, such as through compliments, courtesy, and politeness. Respect is often given through words and actions, but it can also be shown through what is not said or done. The act of respecting someone can help to strengthen a relationship between two people. Here are Primal Facts' 7 ways to command respect instantly. 1. Conduct yourself with dignity and decency. Dignity and decency are the 2 most important qualities that we should possess as human beings. It is not only about how we act towards others, but also how we behave in our own lives. This includes being polite, kind, and respectful to everyone around us. We should not tolerate any behavior that is disrespectful or offensive to other people. We should be aware of our own actions and make sure that they are always appropriate for the situation. 2. Be humble and gracious in defeat. One of the most important lessons I learned in life is to be humble and gracious in defeat. I have had many moments where I have lost a game, a race, or an argument. When this happens, it is important to take time to reflect on what went wrong and how you can do better next time. We should not dwell on our mistakes, but instead use them as opportunities for improvement. Losing a game should not be seen as a failure because there are always new games coming up that we can learn from and improve our skills on. If we lose an argument with someone else, it is important to reflect on what we did wrong and how we can do better next time so that we don't repeat the same mistakes again. 3. Create a sense of belonging. Belonging is a human need. It is the need to feel like you are part of a group, and that you matter in some way. The sense of belonging can be found through various different things, such as clubs, sports teams, or even social media platforms. One of the most important aspects of belonging is inclusion. Inclusion is when everybody feels welcome and accepted for who they are. Inclusion and belonging are the most important factors in a person's sense of well-being. The more people feel like they belong, the more likely they are to be happy and successful. 4. Maintain integrity in all that you do. Maintain integrity in all that you do. A person's integrity is their honesty, fairness, and moral correctness. It is not just a matter of being honest with yourself, but also about being honest with others. Integrity is the most important thing to have in life, because if you don't have it, then you will not be able to succeed in anything. Maintain your independence and do not rely on others. You must develop your own strategies and solutions to problems that you face. Remain self-reliant, confident, and independent in order to maintain your personal integrity. Your personal integrity is at risk when you become overly dependent on others for support or validation. 5. Be decisive and responsible with your time. Decision-making is an important part of a person's life. In order to make the best decisions, one needs to be decisive and responsible with their time. The more a person wastes their time on tasks that don't matter, the less they have for the tasks that do matter. It is important to know when to say no, so you can focus on what matters most. A good way to do this is by understanding your priorities and goals in life and then deciding which tasks you need to complete in order for you to achieve them. 6. Be worthy of respect by the way you treat others and yourself. In order to be worthy of respect by the way you treat others and yourself, it is important to have a sense of self-worth. A sense of self-worth can come from many things, such as having a good education or being successful in life. It is important to have a sense of self-respect because people will not want to be around someone who doesn't respect themselves. If you are someone who lacks self-respect, it is important to work on building up your confidence and getting rid of any negative thoughts. It is also important that you don't take anything personally because people may not react the way you want them to all the time. 7. Don't ask for permission if there's no one in charge. It is a common misconception that one needs to ask for permission before taking action. This is not true. It is better to act first and then ask for forgiveness later than never take action at all. It might be difficult to get forgiveness, but it will be impossible if you don't act in the first place. Don't ask for permission if there's no one in charge. Don't wait for someone to give you permission. It's better to act first and then ask for forgiveness later than never take action at all. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.